to the choreography on the song Futute Mehbooba by Akull. So let's get started. So the first step, right? The song is Khwabo mein Jisse hua tha Rubaru, Rubaru. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You jump with the other leg. So you first cross this, and when you go here, you jump. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then it's Hua tha jisse Rubaru, Rubaru. Then you jump like this. Next step is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands are like this. You bend, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next line is, I'm not very good at singing, but the next line is वो दिखने में तेरे जैसी हुबहू हुबहू. So it's, where did we end? We were like this, right? We ended like this. So it's, keep your legs like this, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. वो दिखने में तेरे जैसे हुबहू हुबहू. Okay? Again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, वो दिखने में तेरे जैसे हुबहू हुबहू. Okay, the next line is है कोई करिश्मा या अजूबा है तू. So for that it's, keep your hands like this and you do a squeeze. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The step is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The legs are 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you keep your, just, this is a mirror video, so you just keep your right leg right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Add hands. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that is Charleston. Charleston is on Tere Mehbooba something. So it's, so it's like this. It's a shuffle step, right? So you start like this first. I'll make another video for Charleston too, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you keep on doing that back. How will it look? It will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so it's basically Ajooba hai tu. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Yeah, so with the Charleston, the hands go just like this, like this. Mujhe Lagta Inhe Meri Futute Mehbooba hai tu. So I don't think, right? Mujhe nahi lagta hai, so I do this. So it's Mujhe Lagta Hi Meri 1, 2. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Meri Futute Mehbooba hai tu. So it's, I don't know the song completely, but it's मुझे लगता है मेरी ये फ्यूचर महबूबा है तू. Okay? Cool. After that is the hook step. Hook step is, it's very easy. So you just have to take your shoulder back. So it's like this, you know. So how do you start? You do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now the second part of hook step, it's kind of similar with hands little bit different. Again, we ended here, right? With our legs like this, we ended here. So the second part of the hook step is, my legs look like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The guitar position. Okay? Yeah, so you will hear your guitar is just, you're trying to play music, right? So it's, yeah, your shoulders go down now when you go down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the complete hook step will look like your head, right? Your right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so the whole dance will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's done. So if you guys liked it, do comment